Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are watching today's video. And today I will be doing something very different. I'm actually stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something that I've been seeing a lot lately, like trending. It's these like bold, just beautiful makeup looks, and I will insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about. I was inspired by this look. Just click subscribe, like, comment, and let's get started. I actually like to start off with my eyes. Put some tape right here. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes. What I do is I grab my white 18 Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna apply some, like I said, in the inner corners of my eyes. Alright, so I'm having a hard time seeing this. I'm not sure if you can even see that. I think I should do is use this flat brush from MAC, and with my Marc Jacobs setting mist, I'm actually going to spray it. So like that, and see if it's, you can actually see it. Okay, so I can actually see it on my brush right now, so that's good. This is the Y18 again, and apply this color right here. Swirl. I know that looks really messy, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn out good. At least I hope so. We gotta get a more darker burgundy, and with that I will be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette and Fuego. That looks a little purple, but we'll make it work. I'm also using the same Y18 brush, and we're just gonna start like applying it to the outer corners more than anything. And black to the very outer corner of the eye. Okay, so it's looking pretty okay. I mean, I don't have the exact like colors that picture is showing, so like I said, I was inspired by it, so I'm not doing exactly like that, but I'm working my way around it to make it look somewhat like that. So far this is what it looks like, and I know it looks really messy, but I'm just hoping that once I like clean it up and just take this part off and do my makeup, I feel like it'll be okay. So for the best. And also the lighting in here, I'm actually in my kitchen because I actually like the little background on it. The lighting here is kind of yellow, so it's making my eyes look really dark, but they're really not. Like right now I can see like the burgundy colors that I've used and just a little bit of the black that I applied. So that, now I'm using the Y19 just to blend it out even more. So what I'm thinking about is applying a little bit of this color right here. I think what I should have done differently is I should have like done this part and the crease and the outer corner of my eye, and then I should have gone back and applied some primer to clean this area up and then applied the gold to it. But then yet again, I'm not sure if it would have done anything different. I don't know, just let me know if you think I need to do anything different, please. My goal is to learn more and just know a lot more about makeup. So I don't have that gold, like I don't have that gold color to go on my crease that like sparkly, but I do have silver, and this is what I'm going to be using to do like the liner part on my crease. And for that, I'm going to use this MAC flat brush and see if this will do anything. Okay, it's definitely not terrible. Like, pretty proud of this, how it's turning out. But put on my eyelashes and I'll finish that one, and then I'll work my way to my face. Now that I took the tape off, it looks pretty good. I like it. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, mascara, using the Ardell Wispy Lashes. Born This Way foundation, and because I have been out on the sun a lot, I actually mix caramel and golden together and I create the perfect shade. And I use my Marc Jacobs foundation brush. I also forgot to mention that I actually already primed my face using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Blend everything out smoothly with my blender. Concealer, and I'm actually using the same brand, and it's Born This Way. Okay. I actually used the Y10. It looks like that. And then I go over and dab it with my finger. So I just put some right there and some right here on my nose. My forehead. I use the Y3 for here. blush brush. It's my Y22 and it looks like this, and I'm gonna like that. Use this huge MAC brush just to get rid of any of this powder left. I'm gonna use the Afterglow Urban Decay 13. Yeah, Y13 brush. And I just spray it a little bit because so for my lips, I'm actually using two things, and the first one is the NYX lip liner, and this is Burgundy Rose. And to top it off, I use my favorite at the moment lip shade and lipstick and brand, which is the AVON lipstick, and this is in Cherry Jubilee. And these lipsticks are seriously the best. Like, they don't leave your lips all like dry and like patchy. They actually feel very like buttery on your lips, so that's my favorite part of the entire makeup routine. So yeah, there's like, I would say about 50 different shades in Avon's lipsticks, and like, look how pretty that is. That's just so pretty. I will be using the Marc Jacobs setting sprays, and not only does it smell good, but it does wonders to my makeup. It'll last for about 5 to 8 hours, so it's pretty great. I love it. Here we go. Okay, so this is the final look, and I really like how it turned out. Comment, like, and subscribe. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.